What's up, all my germaphobes out there? This is Lyndon coming at you from Las Vegas. Yesterday, I was on a client site, and I had the opportunity to clean the nastiest car seat I've ever come across in my 8 years of doing this. This young man happened to be coming home from school. He got car sick, and rather than throw up on himself, he threw up on the car seat next to him, which is why we see chunks in all the nooks and crannies, smeared across the buckles, the straps, and it's all up in the creases too. But what do we do at Germz Be Gone? We don't judge, we just get to work. We know what it's like to have kids. We know what kids do. Explosive diapers, vomit, boogers, food, milk, you name it. We know what it's like. And as parents ourselves, we go the extra mile to make sure your kids' gear is detailed and sanitized and deodorized to the absolute best of our ability. And that means using no toxic chemicals. So if you ever come across a situation where you're in a bind, you don't know what to do, you feel overwhelmed, hit up Germz Be Gone. And for all you parents out there, I wrote a post just to give you some advice and some tips on how to keep your kid from getting motion sick while they're riding the car. So be sure to check that out below. So hopefully you don't come across an unfortunate circumstance just like this.